Hello students and welcome to this session. Today we are going to start with the appearance part of the WordPress. So here you can see there are various options given in the appearance. Okay, basically appearance is to manage your themes. From here you can install, delete and activate themes. Its menu allow you to change your site's appearance and behavior. So depending upon your theme, some of the appearance menu may not appear to you because some of the options under appearance are theme based. So let's go to the theme part. Here I am clicking on theme. So here you can see there are three themes available, that is 2020, 2019 and 2017. So these themes are by default given by the WordPress, and here you can see active means our 2020 theme is been active in the WordPress now. Means to when you will create your site, this theme will be activated. Okay, if you want to activate different themes, so from here you can see the live preview. Whatever website you are creating, match your requirements with this theme, and if your requirement gets matched, just activate your theme. Similarly this theme, or else you can also download the different themes depending upon your requirements. So let's see this theme, the customization of this theme. If you want to customize your theme, go to the customize section where you can get different options depending on the themes. So this is our website, this is our default website. If let's go to the site identity first. If you want to change your theme also, from here you can change your theme. Okay, let's go to the site identity. When I click on site identity, from here you can select the logo. Where if your website is having any logo, from here you will select the files. Wherever your image is been stored, select from there, or else if your images are placed in media library, select from there. So from here you can select the logo. You can give your site title. For now we have given demo. Okay, you can give anything. I am giving here my website. You can change your site title. Here you can see. Then tagline, if you want to give any tagline to your website, from here you can change the tagline. Next is site icon. Now what is the site icon? Here you can see the XAMPP icon. This is basically a site icon. So from here you can select your site icon. For now images are not uploaded, so I cannot show you from where you can add the images and all. If it is stored in your PC, in your desktop, from there you can select. Next part is colors. Now suppose if you want to change the background color, here you can see creamy color. You can see from here you can also change the color of your background. Here I am setting to the default. Okay, next is header and footer background color. So it is providing the options like you can change the header color or footer color. So this is your header and this is your footer. So from here you can change the color. This all are theme based options. Okay, here I am selecting default, and don't forget to publish your site, okay, or else your changes will not be saved. Again, theme options. Now let's see what are the themes option. Show search in header. Here you can see search option. If I uncheck this, the search option will not be shown. Next is show author bio. If you are having your author, it will not be shown. Then various options you will get on archive pages. Post show means your post should have the full text or only summary, means when you click on that summary you will get the detail options. Next is cover template. Here also you will get different option, means what will be the overlay background color, what will be the overlay text color. Okay, you can change your color. By default I am keeping the default color. Then you can select the overlay capacity. So you may get various options when you select the themes. Here You can also select the background image. Menu, here it is a menu part where you can select the primary menu or else primary 2, means expanded menu. If you want to show, you can show from here. There will be social links here, you can see the social links also. If you want to create a new menu, you can also create the new menu. Then widgets, what will be the widgets you can place. For now, here you can see 2 widgets have been added here. First is about title, that is text widget has been added, and next is also text. So this theme is providing 2 footer. Okay, then home page setting. What will be the home page setting? Your home page should display your latest post or static page. Static page means if you are going to create any new page, that and when you go to that website, this will be your means the main page will be your static page. From here you can select any page you want to display, but you need to design the page. Same with the post page. What you want to show? You want to show contact, you want to show blog page, anything. Okay, then next is additional CSS. Now suppose if you want to change the color of this icons, okay, and you don't have options over here, so what you will do, you will write additional CSS. And how you will write the additional CSS? Now suppose I am going to change the color of this icon, so what I'll do, I'll go and inspect this. From here I will find out the classes. So let's change the layout first. Okay, so I'll go to this icon, okay, and I can see the icon and color here, background color here. So from here you will change the class. Now color. Now suppose I want to keep this color. What I will do, I will just copy this class. Okay, copy this class and close this and go to additional CSS and paste here. I think I didn't copy that. Let's go and check again. So this is the class. Copy, you can copy this and paste here. Okay, let's publish it, and when you publish your site, here you can see the changes. Okay, you just need to find out the classes properly and change the parameters according to that. Now suppose I wanted to change the background of the icon, so I selected the class, this whole class, and I changed the background color. So similarly, if you want to change anything related to your theme, from there you can change. Also here you will get the same options: background, menu, widgets, customize. From here also you can change. You will get the different options. So this was all about the appearance part, means how you can customize your theme also. So thank you for watching.